Up for auction is an MTH car wash, and on the Bikini car wash, I'll go ahead and start.
Okay, one deluxe. Thank you. Please pull forward.
We're all done. Please come again and have a nice day.
Okay, as you can see, it all operates and functions perfectly. It's an MTH Bikini car wash. See the pictures on our description, or in the pictures and the description in the auction. None of the cars other than the Porsche that circles around are included in this auction. Thanks for looking.